a big problem.
You know, there's something happening. This is not like a normal situation. We're the largest drug buyer in the world. We're having a good time, and I have one of my boys here.
No chance, that's what you got.
We have a protester.
Up against a machine too strong. Pretty politicians.
Unbelievable. They're killing us. Oh, look at my African American over here. Look at him. Are you the greatest? We're gonna take our country back and make it great again. I love our police. Be quiet and just hit him, right? Just hit him.
You'll be to recover stolen item.
I mean, I'd look her right in that fat, ugly face of hers. I'd say you're fired. Get him out of here! A total lightweight. I am the least racist person that you have ever met. We're gonna start winning. Look at those numbers.
Sorcerers may be invisible. Better hurry. Time's running out.
I have a great relationship with the blacks. I love the Mexican people.